The 2011 NAS Oceana Air Show. Hello everybody, my name is Rob Reider and it is great to be back. This is my 7th year to be here at Oceana for the show. And it's great to be back with Corky Erie and the commanding officer, Captain Jim Webb, the executive officer, Captain Bob Geis, Corky Erie, our air show director, and the gang up here on stage with me. We got Tim Gamache, call sign Gooch. Our boss, AC-1 Sean Powers, and our mini boss, Court Gibbons, is up here as well. They're going to be telling the airplanes to take off, and if you look out to your left right now, you will see a very, very old-looking airplane. Old because it's a replica of a 1911 Curtiss Pusher. You know, it was just 100 years ago that first flight off a Navy ship took place. Lieutenant Theodore Spuds Ellison was the Navy's first aviator, flying a Curtiss airplane. Glenn Curtiss built so many great airplanes throughout the years. I hope you got cameras on this, because this is one huge piece of history. Oh, wow! Listen to that. Pusher is every carrier pilot's DNA. The anchor from which an impressive list of tailhook fighters and bombers have evolved, including today's FA-18 Hornet and F-35C Joint Strike Fighter. From that primitive 130-foot wooden deck aboard the USS Pennsylvania in 1911, and the Navy's first true aircraft carrier, the USS Langley in 1922, to the massive Ford-class supercarriers under construction today, thousands of naval aviators have trapped aboard the carrier pilot's mantra of meatball, airspeed, and lineup. And it all began with the awkward-looking aircraft you see out to show left right now. Let's fade this music out and let you listen to the Curtiss Pusher. 2 hours of fuel, but the pilots are pretty much worn out after an hour. So that becomes the limiting factor. At a cruising speed of 55 miles per hour, that means we see a whole lot of America's small-town airports. We have the Curtiss crew volunteers who followed our hops across the country from show to show, maintaining the Curtiss and answering thousands of questions about naval aviation's first 100 years. Glenn Curtiss, Eugene Ely, Captain Chambers, and the birth of naval aviation. That's where it all started in 1911. And when they get back down on the ground, we'll tell you where you can go to meet these modern-day barnstormers. To learn more about their flights, you can visit them after they land. Their primary sponsor is Wiley Aerospace. Was the Northrop aircraft YF-17. The YF-16 won it and became the F-16 Fighting Falcon, an airplane that I hope you will see fly here today.